Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do another simple January recipe, and it is Sloppy Joes. This meal is super easy to put together, like beyond easy. It takes less than 30 minutes start to finish, depending on what you put it on. You can put it on the tortilla recipe wraps that I have on this channel. You can put it on the bread, either the loaf bread or the buns. That's what we're going to probably eat it on tonight, which is the coconut-free bread that I make into buns or on a baguette. And if you don't want any bread with it at all, it's great over a roasted sweet potato, so I would try it that way. I hope you like this one as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everyone, we are back with a taste test of the Sloppy Joes. I've actually already had one of these. They're really good. I tend to like mustard on my Sloppy Joes, and mustard is not an AIP Elimination Phase Compliant food. So what I did was, in the recipe, I've added a little bit more vinegar, which gives it that kind of tanginess that you get from the mustard typically. So, but if you can have mustard, eat this with mustard. It's really good that way, especially like a Dijon or something. Be great. It gives a little bit of spice and a little bit of something else. But if you can't, like me, then try the vinegar. I'm gonna give you a taste test. This is messy, so we'll just see. We'll see how this taste test goes. Let's see. We'll do it a little bit strange. Oh, well, here, let me show you. So it looks just like a Sloppy Joes. This is that coconut-free bread that I make into baguettes and buns. It's really good. It's good on these buns, and these buns, actually this is kind of the fourth day for these buns. If you just microwave them for 30 seconds, they get really soft. And you can use them just like a normal hamburger bun, as you can see. Messy, but good. I recommend this one. It's so fast. And the barbecue sauce, guys, you can make it and freeze it. That's what I did. That's why it was easy to put together. So if you just make a batch of the tomato sauce in the Instant Pot, like on a weekend, make a big batch. Like just take a whole 2-pound bag of carrots and make like a, quadruple batch or whatever. And then put that on the stove with all of the ingredients for the barbecue sauce. Make a big batch of barbecue sauce and then freeze it in little not pint jars, but quart jars, not quart jars, pint jars. I'm bad at that system. Anyway, the smallish ones, I'll show you. You can do it in these are like a 1 cup, or you can do it in the 2 cup, size jars in the freezer, and they stay in the freezer for several months. So I just grab one out when I want to do a recipe like this, de-thaw, or you can toss it in the fridge the night before, and then it's perfect. And this meal comes together in like 15 minutes because it literally is just browning onions and beef, adding the sauce, and that's it. The bread is super easy to make if you've made it. Super fast to make. You can make that on a Sunday or whatever and have it for the week. It's also really good on the tortilla wraps, also really fast, or on a baked sweet potato. It'd be really good on a baked sweet potato. It's kind of sweet on sweet. And if you have smoked salt, I know that's kind of a specialty item, you can get it on Amazon. It adds just a little bit of a smoky flavor to it, which is kind of nice as well. So if you can find one that's AIP compliant, that you want to just kind of experiment with the flavors a little bit, you could do that as well. Anyway, I hope you like this as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.